Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Mohammed Khan and I'm back with another video on reviewing AI tools to know if it is a BS or if it's a very good tool. So in this video, I will be reviewing a tool called Browser Use, which is a very exciting tool that I have personally used. I'll tell you by the end of the video how you can use it, if it is good for you or not, or if you can use it in development, or if you can use it as a non-tech person as well. So few days ago I reviewed a video called Manas AI. If you can see, if you haven't already watched the video, you can watch the video by clicking the I button on the top. So if it's here, yeah, I'm not sure, but yeah, you can click that and then you can watch the video. So Manas AI apparently uses a browser use behind the scenes, which is an open source tool. So watch the video till the end. If you're new here, click the subscribe button, and let's directly dive into the video. But before we directly dive into the video, a word from today's sponsor. So the sponsor of the video is Ninja Chat AI, which is your all-in-one AI assistant. I will show you how it works. I'll tell you why it's actually good, because you can have all the multiple models in just one subscription. Using Ninja Chat AI, you will be able to access OpenAI, you will be able to access Grok, all of these APIs in just only purchasing this particular Ninja Chat AI. It's a very powerful tool. I will show you all the features of it in a moment. So this is the Ninja Chat AI dashboard. Yeah, so if you see, it has all the AI models over here: GPT 4.1, which is an expensive model, Grok 3, O1, Clouds 3.7, and all of these things. If you see over here, you can also create images, which is very exciting. You can also create music. You can also create videos. You can choose which particular model to use, and or you can create mind maps, or you can create PDF chats, all of these things, or you can search the tools on the internet using the web, so or use Twitter and all of these. It's very nice if you ask me, or use the model that you want to use to browse the internet. Or you can click on dashboard and view all the different things that you can use, all the writer tools. If you see, context aware thesaurus, yeah, cultural sensitivity checker, interactive story plotter. It's very nice, if you ask me. And well, the reason that I stress you to buy this is because each and every model is used for a different purpose. I'll tell you, Claude 3.7 is extremely good at coding, and OpenAI is just good at general stuff. And Grok is very good if you're asking something uncensored, or like if you want like raw real stuff, then you can use Grok. But you just cannot buy subscriptions of all of them. You'll just go in debt. So you can actually buy this. And since you guys are subscribers of my channel, I have the company gave me a subscription discount. So you can use the code AI25 to get 25% discount on your first subscription. So if it's $18, it's just $18 minus 25, which is around $13.35. So you can try it out if you want, and then if you like it, just subscribe, and if you don't like it, just unsubscribe it. So without wasting any time, let's just get started. So the tool that we will be speaking about will be Browser Use. Okay. So Browser Use is a tool where you can enable AI to control your browser. So you can give commands to it. They also have a pro subscription or whatever. So, but you can use it for free using the open source GitHub model that they have by clicking this button. So I will show you how to set it up. It's quite simple, extremely simple to do this. And yeah. And they also give a starter code. Just copy paste, this will work properly. So let's get started. So let me show you. This is how I've already set up the code. I will add the code in the description, like a GitHub link for the code, or I'll just give this link to this particular browser use. All right, so you can just copy this code, and you need to create an env file. Okay, you just need to create the env file and add the key of your OpenAI key, which is OpenAI is equal to your key. So the way that you get your OpenAI key is by is just going to get OpenAI key. Let me show you how it works. Yeah, it's just the documentation over here. Yeah, so if you see, there's a document over here. Where do I find my OpenAI key? You can find the secret API key on the API key page. Check out best key practices. So it's quite simple to generate the OpenAI key, and yeah, so there you go. And yeah, now I will show you. So over here, if you have, you can go over here and then you can just quickly search. You can search there's something like um, search for the latest news on AI and give me today's summary, yeah, of the news. Okay, cool. Let's directly write python main.py. Okay, you can just enter this. Okay, yeah, it's using GPT-4o model. If you are seeing this, okay, it looks like playwright install is not here. Yeah, you just have to install playwright as well. Ideally, if you have Python, you can easily download this. You can just click on pip install browser use and it will automatically install the playwright one as well for you. But you don't have to use playwright. I will show you in a moment, like you can use something else. You don't have to use this specifically, but let's just wait. It's just gonna take few minutes to download this thing, and until then I will show you the docs for it. So if you go over here, there should be something called, yeah, let me show you. If you see, we are asking it to add grocery items to the cart, add my latest LinkedIn follower to my leads in Salesforce, read my CS CV and find ML jobs, save them in a file, and then start applying for them in new tabs. Let's see. Read my CV. You can click on this to get the prompt. I will show you in a moment, but yeah. If you see, it's automatically filling in the details, and it will also ask you questions if there are there's something that it cannot understand. So if you guys see, this thing is downloaded, you just have to run again python main.py. Yeah, it will try to start a browser. You see a browser is started over here. Okay, and thing, if you see, search for Google latest AI stuff. So the way that it works is that it will either use, we can also ask it to not use vision, but it will get the data, all the input elements, and give that response to the AI LLM model, whatever LLM model you're giving, and it has like, but numbers assigned over here, number 20, number 21, 24, 23. Yeah, so AI will tell that which particular thing to do. So if you see, today's AI news for May 1st, 2025 is big tech companies expect varied blah blah blah. Mark Zuckerberg anticipates AI's role in generating Meta's Llama project code will grow significantly in 12 to 18 months, which I don't know if it is true or not, but yeah. Google's Gemini AI might be integrated into iPhone soon, and Pentagon's AI metal programs is advancing private supply chains. But yeah, so this is how it works, but it's not really useful if you are using your Chromium model which doesn't have your instance. So let's say what I'll do is that I will give a bit complex task, because LinkedIn is like quite hard. So I will ask it to please go to linkedin.com and find me the jobs on React.js remote in India. Okay, I will ask it to do this. Let's see how it performs. And also what I'll do is that if you see over here, I'm using something called browser config. I will show you the documentation of it. So let me go to docs. Let me search if there is something called docs over here. Docs. There should be docs. Definitely there should be docs. Uh, Documentation. There you go. So if you see over here, it has all the information. We can add browser settings. If you see, it will allow us to add our own browser. There's a code where you can actually add this browser. So this is where my browser is. I use Mac OS. So if it's not very obvious, if you see, this is where the Google Chrome will be installed. And I will use this config and store it inside the browser. And I will pass this browser over here. Okay. And all we have to do over here is, all we have to do is just run the code. And I think hopefully it should actually open my own Chrome, which it did, by the way, where my LinkedIn account is already signed in. Well, it's taking a while to, it actually opened LinkedIn. This is my LinkedIn profile. If you guys want to connect, you can connect to me on LinkedIn and speak with me. So you can go to it's actually, if you see the logs over here, it's actually going to open LinkedIn jobs and click on the jobs section, and it actually searched React.js remote. And if you see, the location is India, that is set over here, and it's trying to read the content. I believe it will. It's a bit complex because LinkedIn doesn't allow you to actually use bots or something. But I think, if you see, it failed for whatever reason and managed to get search results. Okay. And extract the list of job titles and companies from the search. So it's actually extracting everything. And I believe, there you go. I don't know what is this, but it's actually, so that's actually fetching the information of the company. Oh wow, this is cool. So it will just do this iteratively and try to get me the jobs. And I'm, to be honest, I'm giving a very simple task to it. You can actually give a very complex task, like let's say your boss gave you to write a report on something on Google Docs. Let's say a particular task. What you can do is that you can just ask it to research about in the internet. You can give specific information like go to this website, go to this website, go to that website, and then you just sleep and watch if it is doing a correct job or not. If there's something wrong, you can actually prompt it to make sure that it will it actually decides and asks your permission before it moves forward. So you can configure that as well. I mean, these are all for people who are a bit into programming, but if you're non-programmer, you can directly use this. Let's click on this. If you see, this is done, and it gave me all the remote jobs: software engineer, React.js at so and so technologies, appvector.io, and all of that. So okay, so I think it's actually good, but let's see how you guys would use it. Let me know what ideas do you have, and I think that I'm gonna sum up the video. It's I will say that this tool is extremely good for research, for doing something on the browser, anything that a human would do, but at a very small pace. But nonetheless, it's extremely good. If you ask me if it is BS or not, it's no BS. It's very good. This tool is open source. It's very good. You can use your own API key, and you can use it completely for free, and you can build something out of it. You can build an AI agent. You can build a sales agent, a sales lead generator, where it can find different people on LinkedIn or on any website, Facebook, Instagram, or whatever, and then it will give you the list of the people that it found. And hopefully, I think in the coming days it will also be very good in terms of just chatting with someone. Right now it's very slow, it's not very human like, uh, but yeah, I think it's extremely good and I think you should use it. Let me know what you guys think about it. And if you like the video, click the like button and comment down below if you have any thoughts about me. If you have any ideas about me reviewing any other AI tool that's paid or unpaid or whatever. I will use it. I will show you if it is worth to pay or not. So thank you so much for watching the video till the end. I hope that I see you guys in the next video. Till then, goodbye and take care.